Good day to all of you. Hi, I'm Jamie Crisela Fabinas, first year student of STI College, Lucena. I'm here to teach you how to simulate a program, a selection sort program. First, let me explain to you what was a selection sort program and what was the meaning of this. Selection sort is a sorting algorithm, specifically an in-place comparison sort, which makes it quiet and efficient for sorting large data volumes. Selection sort is notable for its programming simplicity, and it can overperform other sort in a certain situation. The algorithm. The idea of algorithm is quite simple. Array is imaginary divided into two parts, sorted one and unsorted one. At the beginning, sorted part is empty, while unsorted one contains whole array. At every step, algorithm finds minimal element in the unsorted part and adds into the end of the sorted one. When unsorted part becomes empty, algorithm stops. When algorithm sort an array, it swaps first element of unsorted part with minimal element, and then it is included to the sorted part. This implementation of selection sort is not stable. In case of linked list is sorted and instead of swap minimal elements is linked to the unsorted part, selection sort is stable. Ito ang isang example ng selection sort program. Dito sa loob ni array, dito ilalaman yung mga i-input. Ang nilaman ko dyan ay 12, 9, 4, 99. Yan. Ito yung looping, end ng loop, tapos ito yun sa loop, ito yung looping, end ng statement, tapos another na. And then, move na tayo sa tuturo ko na sa inyo kung paano isa-simulate ang selection sort program. First, isusulat muna natin kung ano yung nasa loob ni looping. Ito ang unang isusulat. Si x is equal to 0, x less than n, and x plus plus. Yung x plus plus, yan yung incrementation. Second, so y is equal to x, y less than n, and the last is if array index is less than array y. Yan. After that, na tayo. Ang x natin ay 0, 1, 2, 3. Ito yung sky index. Tapos, yung mga naka-input sa atin, 12, 9, 4, 99. Second, x is equal to 0. Ang x natin ay 0. Kasi, 0 dito. Kaya, naging 0 yon. X less than n. Tapos, index ay 0. Yung n, yun yung dami. Kung, yun yung bilang no kung ilan yung nakalaman dun sa array. Kaya, 0 less than 4, true. Move tayo kay index is equal to x. Kaya naging 0 ito kasi Ang x natin ay 0. Then, move na tayo kay y is equal to x. Ang x natin ay 0. 0 less than n, yung n yung length uli ng array. Kung ilan yung naka-input. If array index is less than array y, 12, ang x natin ay 0. Ang 0, ang index natin ay 0. Kaya 0 ito. Ito yung pinakang index natin, 0. 0. Tapos, kaya naging 12 ito kasi 0 natin ay 12. Kaya 12 yun. Tapos, less than y ay 12. Ano ba ang y natin? 12 din. Kasi ito, x ito, tas ito ay y. Ayun. Si 0 magiging 1 na siya. Nag-i-increment. 1 less than 4, true. 12 less than 9, kaya naman ito naging 9 kasi ang y na natin ay 9 kasi ang ating x ay 1. 1. Nasa 1 pala, ang index natin ay nasa 1 nga. 9. True. False pala. 12 less than 9, false. Turn on. Tinali. Mag-i-increment uli. Magiging ang 1, magiging 2 na siya. Magiging 2 na. 2 less than 4, true. 12 minus 4, kaya naman naging 4 siya kasi ang y natin ay 4 na. Sabi daw ang index natin ay 2, kaya dito na. Hindi na siyang 4. So, 4. 12 less than 4, false. Ayun, increment ulit siya. Si 2 magiging 3 na. 3 less than 4, true. 12 less than 99, true. I-increment ulit. Si 3 magiging 4. 4 less than 4, false. Balik na ulit tayo. Kay x. Si 1, ito. Si 1 magiging ito, 0, magiging 1 na siya. 1. Kasi nag-increment. 1 less than 4, true. Ang index natin ay x, kaya ito ang index natin ay 1. 1. Move ulit tayo kay y. Dito na. Kay y. Nagiging 1 na siya kasi ang x natin, kaya naging 1 siya kasi ang x natin ay 1. 1 less than 4, true. 9 less than 9 was false. I-increment ulit siya. Yung 1 magiging 2 na siya. 2 less than 4, true. 9 less than 4, false. I-increment ulit. Si 2 magiging 3. 3 less than 4, true. 9 less than 12, false, true. Increment ulit siya. 4, ang x na ang si 3 magiging 4. 4 less than 4, false, false. Balik na ulit tayo. I-increment ulit siya dito. Increment. Si 1, magiging 2 na siya. 2 less than 4, true. Ang x naman natin, ang index of x natin ay 2. Kasi 2 ito, x is equal to 0. Move na ulit tayo kay y. Ito na siya. 2. 2 less than 4, true. 4 less than 4, false. Increment ulit. Si 2 magiging 3. 3 less than 4, true. 4 less than 9, false. 4 less than 9, true. Increment ulit. Si 3 magiging 4. 4 less than 4, false. Increment ulit. Balik na ulit tayo dito. Si 2 magiging niya kasi mag-i-increment ulit siya. 3 less than 4, true. Ang index of x natin ay 3. I-increment ulit. Bupuli tayo dito kay y. Kay y. Ito. Yan nga kay Y. 3 less than 4, true. 4 less than 4, false. Move na uli. Ulit tayo dito. Si 3 magiging 4 na. 4 less than 4, false. Ito yung output niya. Ang in-input natin, 12, 9, 4, 99. Tapos na 99, 9, 4, 12. Ang nag-swap ay si 9 and 12. Second ay naging 99, 12, 49 na. Tapos ang pinaka-last output niya is naka-arrange sila sa descending. Naging 99, 12, 9, 4. After that, tatry natin siya sa NetBeans. Kung tingnan natin kung tama ang ating pagsasimulate. Ito yung program. Then, right-click, run 5. Ayun. Tama. Na, values before sort is 12, 9, 4, 99. Values after the sort, 99, 12, 9, 4. I hope you can get some information from me if how to simulate a selection sort program. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.